The National Electrical Code, or NEC, has grown significantly over the years. The 2002 NEC was over 1,000 pages long. This growth is due in part to the electrical industry's constant evolution, where new technologies necessitate code updates to address emerging safety concerns. Another contributing factor is the code becoming more prescriptive. This means the NEC increasingly provides specific instructions rather than general guidelines. This shift towards detailed regulations can lead to concerns about complexity and potential limitations on innovation within the electrical field. Looking ahead, the NEC future remains uncertain. It will likely continue to expand in size and complexity. However, there is also the possibility of revisions aimed at improving user-friendliness. Here are a few potential developments for the NEC in the future. Firstly, the NEC could be divided into smaller, more manageable sections. This could improve accessibility and ease of use for electricians navigating the code. Secondly, the NEC could be made more user-friendly through simpler language and more illustrations. Clarity in visual aids can enhance understanding and reduce ambiguity. Thirdly, the NEC could shift towards a more performance-based approach, rather than a prescriptive one. This allows for greater flexibility and innovation in electrical installations while still meeting safety objectives. The NEC is a valuable resource for electricians. Staying up to date with the latest changes is important for ensuring compliance and safety. However, the NEC is not the only source of information. Other resources, such as books, articles, and websites, can supplement your knowledge of the code. As an electrician, you can decide how to use the NEC. You may choose to read the code thoroughly, or you may focus on the sections most relevant to your work. Regardless, remember that the NEC is a safety document designed to protect you and the public from electrical hazards. Article 90.1 of the NEC states that the purpose of this code is the practical safeguarding of persons and property from hazards arising from the use of electricity. Understanding the NEC structure is vital. The NEC is organized into chapters, articles, and sections. Chapters cover broad topics, articles delve into specific subjects within those chapters, and sections provide detailed requirements. Familiarize yourself with the structure to efficiently locate information. The NEC uses specific terminology. Understanding the definitions of key terms is crucial for proper interpretation and application of the code. Article 100 contains these definitions. Consider attending NEC update courses. These courses provide comprehensive overviews of changes and additions to the code, ensuring you are current with the latest requirements. Consult with experienced electricians and electrical inspectors. Their practical knowledge and insights can be invaluable when interpreting and applying the NEC in real-world situations. Utilize online resources and forums. Numerous websites and online communities offer discussions, interpretations, and clarifications of NEC provisions. However, verify the accuracy of information from unofficial sources. The NEC is updated every 3 years. Staying informed about these updates is essential for compliance and safety. Subscribing to industry publications and attending conferences are helpful ways to stay current. Familiarize yourself with the specific amendments adopted by your local jurisdiction. Local authorities may modify or supplement the NEC to address unique regional needs. Always consult with the authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, for clarification on local interpretations and requirements. The AHA has the final say on code compliance. The NEC contains tables providing information on conductor ampacity, conduit fill, and other critical factors. Understanding how to use these tables is essential for proper electrical installations. NEC Table 310.15b16, for example, provides ampacity ratings for various conductor types based on insulation temperature rating and ambient temperature. Understanding voltage drop calculations is crucial to ensure proper voltage at the point of utilization. The NEC provides guidelines for voltage drop in Informational Note Number 1 to NEC Section 210.19. A1. Grounding and bonding are critical for electrical safety. The NEC provides detailed requirements for grounding and bonding in Article 250. These requirements aim to minimize the risk of electric shock and fire. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or SIs, and ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are essential safety devices. The NEC specifies what these devices are required to protect against arc faults and ground faults. NEC Section 210.12 outlines the requirements for SI protection in dwelling units. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. The NEC provides guidance on selecting appropriate overcurrent protection devices in Article 240. Conductor sizing is crucial for ensuring adequate current carrying capacity and minimizing voltage drop. The NEC provides tables and guidelines for conductor sizing based on ampacity and other factors. Conduit fill requirements limit the number of conductors that can be installed in a conduit. Exceeding the conduit fill limits can lead to overheating and damage to conductors. The NEC provides tables specifying the maximum allowable conduit fill in Chapter 9. Wiring methods such as cable and conduit must be installed according to NEC requirement. Proper installation is essential for ensuring safety and preventing damage to the wiring system. NEC Chapter 3 covers wiring methods and materials. Equipment labeling provides important information about the equipment's electrical characteristics and safety ratings. Always pay attention to equipment labels and install equipment according to the manufacturer's instructions. Understanding the NEC requirements for special occupancies, such as hazardous locations and healthcare facilities, is crucial for ensuring safety in these environments. NEC Articles 500 through 517 address special occupancies. Electrical plan review is an important step in the construction process. Plan review ensures that the electrical design complies with the NEC and other applicable codes. Electrical inspections are conducted to verify that electrical installations are performed according to the NEC and approved plans. Electrical safety training is essential for all electricians. Training helps electricians develop the knowledge and skills necessary to perform electrical work safely and in compliance with the NEC. Remember that the NEC is a minimum safety standard. Good electrical practices may exceed the NEC requirements. Continuously seek opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. Attend training courses, read industry publications, and participate in professional organizations. The NEC is a complex and ever-evolving document. Staying informed, seeking guidance, and continuously improving your knowledge and skills are essential for success in the electrical field. The NEC is not intended as a design specification or an instruction manual for untrained persons. It is intended to be applied by qualified individuals who are trained and experienced in electrical work. The NEC does not cover all aspects of electrical design and installation. Other codes and standards, such as the National Electrical Safety Code, or NESC, and the International Building Code, or IC, may also apply. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local amendments. Do not rely on outdated information. Obtain the official version of the NEC from a reputable source. Do not use unofficial copies or summaries. Understand the scope of the NEC. It primarily covers the installation of electrical conductors and equipment within or on public and private buildings or other structures, including mobile homes, recreational vehicles, and floating buildings. Familiarize yourself with the definitions provided in Article 100. Understanding the precise meaning of terms is essential for accurate code interpretation. Pay attention to the informational notes and fine print notes throughout the NEC. These notes provide additional guidance and clarification on specific requirements. Understand the difference between mandatory rules and permissive rules. Mandatory rules are identified by the use of the word shall, while permissive rules are identified by the use of the word may. Follow the proper procedures for requesting interpretations of the NEC from the NFPA, or National Fire Protection Association. The NFPA is responsible for developing and maintaining the NEC. Understand the appeals process for challenging decisions made by the authority having jurisdiction. The appeals process allows you to seek a review of decisions that you believe are not in accordance with the NEC. Participate in the NEC development process by submitting proposals for changes to the code. The NEC is revised every 3 years based on input from stakeholders. Network with other electrical professionals and share your knowledge and experiences. Collaboration can enhance your understanding of the NEC and improve your ability to apply it effectively. Consider becoming a certified electrical inspector or plan reviewer. Certification demonstrates your knowledge and competence in electrical safety and code compliance. Remember that electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following the NEC and other safety guidelines, you can help protect yourself, your colleagues, and the public from electrical hazards. The NEC addresses the installation of outside conductors and equipment on the premises. This includes overhead and underground service conductors, feeders, and branch circuits. The NEC covers the installation of wiring for power, lighting, control, and signaling circuits. This includes both low voltage and high voltage systems. The NEC addresses the installation of equipment that utilizes electrical energy. This includes appliances, motors, transformers, and other electrical devices. The NEC provides requirements for the safe installation of electrical systems in hazardous locations. These locations are classified based on the type and concentration of flammable gases, vapors, or dust present. The NEC addresses the installation of electrical systems in healthcare facilities. These facilities have unique electrical requirements to ensure patient safety. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of emergency power systems. These systems provide backup power in the event of a power outage. The NEC addresses the installation of renewable energy systems such as solar photovoltaic, or PV, and wind power systems. These systems must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of communication systems such as telephone, data, and cable television systems. These systems must be installed to prevent interference with other electrical systems and to ensure safety. The NEC addresses the installation of low-voltage systems such as fire alarm, security, and lighting control systems. These systems must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of swimming pools, spas, and hot tubs. These installations must be designed to prevent electric shock hazards. The NEC addresses the installation of electrical signs and outline lighting. These installations must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of electric fences. These fences must be installed to prevent accidental contact and to ensure safety. The NEC addresses the installation of mobile homes and recreational vehicles. These installations must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of floating buildings. These buildings must be installed to prevent electrical hazards associated with water. The NEC addresses the installation of agricultural buildings. These buildings have unique electrical requirements due to the presence of livestock and agricultural equipment. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of marinas and boatyards. These installations must be designed to prevent electrical shock hazards in the marine environment. The NEC addresses the installation of carnivals, circuses, and fairs. These temporary installations must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of motion picture and television studios. These studios have unique electrical requirements due to the high power demands of lighting and equipment. The NEC addresses the installation of data processing systems. These systems must be installed to ensure reliable operation and to prevent fire hazards. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of integrated electrical systems. These systems combine multiple electrical functions into a single integrated system. The NEC addresses the installation of fuel cell systems. These systems generate electricity from chemical reactions and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of wind turbines. These turbines generate electricity from wind power and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC addresses the installation of solar photovoltaic, or PV, systems. These systems generate electricity from sunlight and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of energy storage systems. These systems store electrical energy for later use and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC addresses the installation of electric vehicle charging systems. These systems provide power for charging electric vehicles and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of smart home systems. These systems automate various home functions and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC addresses the installation of cannabis cultivation and processing facilities. These facilities have unique electrical requirements due to the high power demands of lighting and equipment. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of microgrids. These localized power grids can operate independently or in conjunction with the main power grid. The NEC addresses the installation of battery management systems, or BMS. These systems monitor and control batteries in energy storage systems and electric vehicles. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of DC microgrids. These microgrids use direct current power distribution and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC addresses the installation of wireless power transfer systems. These systems transmit power wirelessly and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of 380 volts DC or 380 volts DC power systems. These systems are used in data centers and other applications and must be installed in accordance with specific safety requirements. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local amendments.